7 tips to save money in Canada for international students. In this video, I'm going to give you a few quick and easy tips to save money. But stay tuned for the end, where I will get you started on creating a student budget so that you are prepared. Tip number 1, get roommates. If you have family you can stay with in the country you are going to, great. But if you don't, get involved in some study groups to find some amazing roommates. I know it can be a bit intimidating, but in the end, you will save on money, and as a bonus, you will feel less lonely and hopefully make some friends for life. Tip number 2, use public transit. You don't have to waste money on an expensive car payment, and this is how most students get around anyway. It is a great experience and a good way to know the town or city you are going to and will save you a lot of money. Tip number 3, cash is king. Having a credit card for bigger expenses is important for growing credit, but if you find it hard to manage that way, take out some money you budgeted for that week and only spend that. This will help you to stay mindful and keep you from accidentally overspending. Tip number 4, purchase used books. Remember, you don't always have to buy textbooks and assigned readings brand new. Chances are, someone else did it before you. Look out for used books or purchase digital versions to save on some money. Tip number 5, use your student discount. I think I've said enough here. Tip number 6, apply for a part-time job on campus. Working on campus is a great way to fund your way through school. There might not be many positions available, however, if you apply and get one, it's a great and convenient way to get to work right after your class. Since it's only a few steps away and loads of learning, it's basically making money between classes. Tip number 7, apply for scholarships. There are various scholarships available. Don't miss out just because you're not sure if you're qualified or not. Our Apply Board blog has a lot of information on that subject. And be sure to check back here for more videos on this very subject. And now for the personal budget. Keep in mind, this budget is general and will vary depending on your needs, how much you spend, how much your books are for your courses, etc. But let this budget guide you and help you get started. The average rent you can expect to pay off campus with roommates is anywhere between $600 to $1,000 per month. For food, you can put aside $350 to $600 per month. But if you love food like me, it will most likely be at the $600 mark. For utilities and cable, you're looking at about $100 per month. For internet, that can range anywhere between $15 to $85 per month. For your phone bill, you're looking at anywhere between $35 and $80 per month. For personal spending, you're looking at about $100 per month. Clothing, anywhere between $800 to $2,000 per academic year. For entertainment, you should allocate about $100 per month. For laundry, you're looking at about $25 per month. For books and supplies, you should allocate about $1,500 to $3,000 per academic year. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or with a topic you want us to cover next.